Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. Today's video is about my brand new Louis Vuitton Papillon trunk bag. I will be covering everything about this bag, from mod shots to what fits in the bag and ways to wear this bag, and of course my review and if this bag is really worth it. Now let's grab a snack, a drink, and let's jump right into the video. So this bag has been on my wish list for the longest time. I've been hunting for my perfect Louis Vuitton trunk bag style. So for you guys who don't know, Louis Vuitton started selling trunks and travel items. So I really love the history behind it. And as a Louis Vuitton fan, I've always wanted a trunk style purse. So I was first looking at the Petite Malle. I really loved the design and I thought it was so beautiful and so cute, but it is very tiny. It is so small. I feel like it barely fits anything and I could just never pull the trigger. But then when I saw they redesigned and introduced the Papillon trunk bag about 2 years ago, I was sold. So I got this bag on my recent trip to Paris, and when I first saw the bag in person, I was so stunned. I was so in love with it. I fell in love with it immediately, and I just knew that it was the right decision for me to get this bag. All right, are you guys ready? Ta-da! Here she is. This is my Louis Vuitton Papillon trunk bag. This is the front and the side, and this is the back. And I don't know if you guys can see it, but the craftsmanship on this bag is truly impeccable. There is so much details. I just love the front a lot, but you can even see that it has some Louis Vuitton logos embossed in the leather. I'm just super obsessed with this bag, you guys. So it does come with 2 straps. It has this big leather strap with a monogram, and then it has this beautiful gold chain. So what I really love about this bag, that it's very versatile. You can wear this in so many different ways. And because it has this belt detail, you can actually also wear this as an actual belt. So there's so many ways to style this bag, and I just love how unique the shape is. So the Papillon bag is actually a vintage design, and then you have the Louis Vuitton trunk, and those two had a baby, and it is the Papillon trunk bag. I really love that Louis Vuitton didn't go for the fachetta on this bag, because honestly, if they would have done that, I wouldn't go for this bag. And I do love fachetta. I do love the way it looks and a patinas, but it is just not for me. I cannot do a fachetta bag. I'm not the type of person that babies my bags. Of course, I take really good care of them, but I can't baby them. I just want to be able to wear them in any type of weather condition. I don't want to be thinking about, is it going to rain today? Am I going to be able to wear my bag today? And I just really love carefree bags. So that's why I'm very happy they went with the treated leather, and this is in the beautiful caramel brown. I would have loved a black trim as well, but because this is like the original Louis Vuitton trunk, I love that they stuck to the original design with the caramel brown trim and then the Louis Vuitton logo embossed in the leather. So you do get 2 strap options, which I really love, and I love that this belt strap is actually very wide, so it is very comfortable on. So the belt strap is adjustable and removable, and for the gold chain it is removable as well. And I really love that they have 2 D-rings here, so there's so many ways to style this bag. So now I will include some mod shot for you guys, and like I said, I really love how versatile this bag is. I really love that you have the option to remove all the straps and just wear it as a clutch, but you can also have both straps on because of the 2 D-rings, and then you can just kind of have the gold chain as an accessory, and then you can wear it with the leather strap. Now if you want a more casual look, you can take off the gold chain and just wear it with the leather strap. You can also remove the leather strap and then actually use the gold chain as a top handle. So it's really cute for a nighttime look where you just have a clutch with a gold chain. And then if you want for a more nighttime or formal event, you can even clasp the chain on both sides, and then you have a little wristlet purse. So I'm around 5'5" and I have the belt strap in the second hole. I feel like this is the perfect length for me because it really looks nice as a shoulder bag, but it also has great length if I have it crossbody. me. Now I know this is considered a small or even mini bag, but you will be surprised what I can fit in this bag. So I will show you guys exactly what fits in this bag. And the way you open this bag is just to push the little buckle and then lift it like this. Now this is everything that fits in the bag, you guys. And I know this is a mini purse, but it really fits so much. And first we have some mints. I always need some mints on the go. I have a little mini hand sanitizer. I have my AirPods that I always have to have with me. I have my Louis Vuitton key clay, and then I have my Victorine wallet. This is a full-size wallet, you guys. And there's still so much stuff in here. I have my blotting paper, my Chanel powder for if I need any touch-up during the day. I have my mini perfume, and then I have not 1, 2, 3, but 4 lip products. Yes, I carry 4 full-size lip products here in this little purse. The first one is a lip balm, and then I have a tinted lip balm, then I have a lip gloss, and last but not least, my YSL lipstick. And all of that fits in this little bag. It's insane. So this is what the inside looks like. It's this microfiber lining, and I think that's the best part of this bag. It's not only cute and unique looking, but it is very versatile with the straps, and so much fits in this bag. It literally fits all my daily essentials and more. It fits a full-size wallet, and I feel like you can't really say that about a lot of small or mini bags. So I'm very impressed by this bag. You wouldn't say that if you see it. You think maybe because the shape is a little bit weird, but you guys just saw everything that I have in this bag, and it's truly amazing. Now, would I recommend this bag? 100% yes. It is worth every penny, from the design and how functional it is and versatile, and you can just wear this bag for any occasion, really. It is the perfect everyday bag, but it is also very suitable for nighttime or formal events like weddings. And I really think that this purse gets bonus points because it's so unique and it has a very special design. I rate this bag a 10 out of 10, and it is my favorite bag of the moment from Louis Vuitton or any bag. And that is it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below what you think of the Papillon trunk bag and what is your favorite Louis Vuitton bag. Now I wish you a very great day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!